Hello, this is just the accessories that I've got for the computer that we're building. I'm just going to run you through what I've got, as it's no pointless doing a 3-second video showing you every single different part. So here we have the Arctic Silver 5 high density silver thermal compound to go on my CPU. There's a IDE to SATA. The only reason I have one of these is because I just want to use one of my old IDE hard drives to stick my college work on and then take it out. Now, one thing I did find when I did the unboxing of the Fractal Design Newton R2 is my motherboard comes with a 4-pin and an 8-pin power connector, and this power supply only comes with a 8-pin power connector for your motherboard. So I had to go out and buy one of these Molex 2 4-pin power cables. It was only about £1.90 or something. I got one of these network cables. It's a crossover cable. There's 3 meters, just so that I can connect the old computer and the new computer together for my fast data speeds, because I plan to host my videos off that computer instead. So there's one of them. When I bought the case, I wasn't too sure whether it came with USB 3.0 header, so I got one of these USB 3.0 header to USB connectors, and then I got my case and it came with USB 3.0 header. So it doesn't really matter, it only cost me £3, but if you're looking for one of them, they're on eBay. And I got 3 of these Molex adapters just because I could. I'm never going to run out of Molex connectors again. And the Shark 14cm Devil Red Edition fan. This is a high airflow fan. It's got a total 15 blades on it, and the RPM is 15,000 at 12 volts and 800 at 7 volts. It comes with a Molex adapter and some anti-vibration grommets, and it's got red LEDs. So yeah, there's the accessories at the moment. That's it. Bye.